In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Zoom from Freshsales CRM. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Freshsales website. Once the page loads, keep an eye on the top right corner and look for the Login button. Go ahead and click that to move on to the next step. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Carefully type in your email and carry on with the sign-in process. It's important to ensure that you're entering the correct email associated with your Freshsales account to avoid any hiccups. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Freshsales interface. Here, you should see an icon, or possibly an image that represents your profile. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, search for the Personal Settings option and select it. You've now entered your personal settings. The next move is to look for the Calendar and Conferencing tab located at the top of the settings page. Clicking on this tab will bring you to a new section where you can manage various aspects of your calendar and conferencing settings. Once you're in the Calendar and Conferencing section, you'll see a range of options related to calendar synchronizations and conferencing tools. For today's task, we are focusing on Zoom. Locate the option associated with Zoom. Position your pointer over the Zoom option to reveal a trash can icon. This icon allows you to unlink Zoom from Freshsales. Go ahead and click the trash can icon. Don't worry, you can always relink Zoom later if needed. A confirmation prompt may appear to ensure that you really want to proceed with unlinking. Confirm your decision, and Zoom will be unlinked from your Freshsales account. There you have it. You've successfully unlinked Zoom from Freshsales CRM. This simple process allows you to manage your integrations and helps maintain a tidy setup tailored to your current workflow needs. If at any point you decide to restore the Zoom link, you can effortlessly do so by accessing the same menu and following the on-screen prompts to re-establish the connection. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe for more guides like this. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.